Listening section. Part 1. Question 1 to 5. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear some questions or dialogues spoken in English. The questions and the dialogues will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your textbook. So you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you listen to the dialogues or the questions about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the questions you have heard. You will hear, Sophie, do you want to be my girlfriend? You will also hear, what will Sophie say? A. I can't. I have a boyfriend. B. I can't. I'm lesbian. C. WTF, dude. LMAO. You joking? D. I can't. I have a penis. Yeah. E. Well, hello people. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Cheerio.
Hese banget ini.
Bingung gitu, bingung. Kadal dong aturan. Itu ciri khas lo itu masalahnya. Bisa.
Gak, jangan kayak gitu, gak.
Kita ke yang D.
Oh. E. Kok nggak ada? Taruh. Sumpah nggak ada, sumpah lupa. Demi Allah, Pak.
Demi apa lo?
Demi Allah, Pak.
Wah, gila lo.
Tadi apa yang lu ya?